There are so many different paths to take to reach a decision. So how does a group effectively make the best choice together? Let's look at one method to try, the collective decision-making process. This method is an inclusive process that engages everyone on the team to offer up ideas and allows everyone to be heard. Use this process to come to a group decision by following this series of steps. The key steps are: first, identify the decision that the group needs to make. Let's look at a simple example. In this case, the group is planning an event to celebrate their coalition's latest achievement. They want to have dessert for the occasion, but now they need to decide on what type of dessert they're going to make. Next, establish criteria that your final decision needs to meet. What criteria will help you select a dessert for the event? As a group, write them all out. Once you've agreed on the criteria, then you can generate ideas. This is the fun part. Even though you're in a group, begin by having each individual brainstorm by themselves. Each person silently writes out all their ideas on sticky notes. Allowing silent, individual brainwriting, also called silent brainstorming, helps foster creativity and ensures that all voices are heard, something that might be stifled in traditional brainstorming. Capture everything, no talking, and no judgment. Now it's time to evaluate your ideas. As a group, collect each person's sticky note ideas and display them on a large whiteboard together. This is part of the process where you sift through the ideas and funnel out the ones that don't meet your established criteria. Go through each idea and decide if it meets your criteria or not. Throw out the ones that don't. Now that you've narrowed down your ideas, it's time to make a decision. Let's talk about how you will make your final decision as a group. There are lots of ways to go about this. You could choose randomly, by consensus, or have a group vote where the majority wins. Use this final step to make your choice. Voila! You've made your collective group decision, and everyone has participated. All voices were heard, and everyone contributed to making the final choice. The group can count this as another accomplishment. Follow this collective decision-making process whenever you're trying to make a decision as a group.